parody band. Nah, look man, don't wanna do you no harm. Just ace and scale and I'm sure to be grand. Cause my friend Macara, he's a bit of a sicko. The type of fella loses the head at a table. So whatever you do whatever he says so. Ish Macara, abolition crack if he says no.
Okay, get the news, I'll proper introduce myself. I'm Macara and I'm not well. Are you ready for abuse? Sucker deuce, I'm sure you're thinking on loop that I seem decent and clever. Don't I feel bad for this ever?
Guilty conscience, no thanks. I'm meditating, have plenty of wanks, and I never spare a second fall for constant suits. And when the revolution comes on first out the loot, yeah. New gods, happy days. So much comfort when you don't have to pay. And when I'm happily tripped in designer gear, then all of you cunts are getting woven in the air, yeah.
Gurra Maya get Mowgli, a railing in the stoley. Ihaha Hernmunga half in their collection box shows me. If the shade chole is land of pensioners, homie. Uncle and Tusa Perla Gil, take a loser rich if you're lonely. Money's no more stress, we hit the G4S. Ha Arvika Urfat Eka, now it's time to invest, ha. Nah, I'm giving half to my mass on blood money for my honeys and the rest of the ra.
Guilty conscience, no thanks. I'm meditating, have plenty of wanks, and I never spare a second fall for constant suits. And when the revolution comes on first out the loot, yeah. New gods, happy days. So much comfort when you don't have to pay. And when I'm happily tripped in designer gear, then all of you cunts are getting woven in the air, yeah. Guilty conscience, no thanks. I'm meditating, have plenty of wanks, and I never spare a second fall for constant suits. And when the revolution comes on first out the loot, yeah. New gods, happy days. So much comfort when you don't have to pay.